Former Nissan chairman Carlos Ghosn hiding out in Lebanon right now after fleeing Japan, but can he hide from some of the legal trouble while he is there? What's still remarkable to me is how he pulled it off in the first place to government compliance attorney Seth Berenzweig on this very crazy development of what happened. This is a lot we don't know, Seth. He is in Lebanon. He might have had some help. He didn't have any passports, so he didn't have any documentation. I don't know how it all transpired, but it did. What do you think?
Well, it's largely a mystery, and he's probably trying to protect his wife so that she's not going to get arrested for obstruction of justice. But it's really
an escape. Is she with him now, or is she back in Japan?
It's not clear, but I wouldn't be surprised if she's going to be with him very soon. Obviously, they're all going to try to keep a low profile. This was a disappearance and reappearance that would have made Houdini jealous.
Yeah.
And it's really an amazing life. If you think about the roller coaster that he's lived just over the past couple of years, it wasn't long ago that Ghosn took Nissan out of near bankruptcy, increased operating profits by over 250%. He received a special honorary medal from the Emperor of Japan. He was kind of a hero, and then he was arrested. He was thrown in a prison cell and held without bail for over 100 days. Now all of a sudden he shows up in Lebanon, and it's an amazing course of events. You have to give him credit. He sure knows how to beat holiday traffic.
Well, there is that. I'm wondering that there is no extradition between Lebanon and Japan.
Right.
So Lebanon, for whom he also declares ancestry and birthrights, can keep him. But now you have a number of, world organizations that are urging Lebanon to give him up. What would lead to that?
Well, virtually nothing. There will be some local pressure. There was a lawsuit that was recently filed by attorneys in Lebanon claiming that he violated some kind of an obscure law over 10 years ago because he visited Israel, and that's a technical violation that has some penalties. But I don't think that's going to have much traction. It was a very strategic decision on his part. There's no extradition treaty that that country has with Japan. There was a red notice that was issued by Interpol. That's probably not going to be followed. So this was a very smart and slick move, and now he's really gone from the doghouse to the penthouse, and instead of facing a trial where criminal defendants in Japan face a conviction rate of over 99%, he's just kicking back with his family, enjoying New Year's. So it really is a remarkable latest turn on a very historic life of a CEO that has been very, very successful and gone through the extremes of the highs and lows.
Yeah, boy, this is a Bob Ludlum novel, if ever there was one. We'll see what happens. Seth, thank you very, very much.